Genetically modified organisms, GMOs, refer to plants, animals, or microbes whose DNA has been altered using genetic engineering techniques to introduce desirable traits such as pest resistance or enhanced nutrition. Although humans for many years have been breeding plants and animals with more desirable traits through conventional modification techniques like crossbreeding and selective breeding, genetically modified foods was only approved in 1994 and have since sparked intense debate fueled by scientific evidence, economic interests, and public fears. In 2018, Nigeria, through the National Biosafety Management Agency, joined the rest of the world in the use of GMOs by commercializing its first genetically modified crop, the BT cotton, in its bid to boost food productivity and drive economic development in the country. Since then, the country has approved the commercial release of the pod borer-resistant cowpea and the teller maize varieties that are insect-resistant and drought-tolerant to help address the looming food insecurity, which currently stands at 30.6 million, according to a 2025 report by the Food and Agriculture Organization.
Technology has emerged as a beacon of hope in the field of agriculture, offering us innovative solutions to the pressing challenges that we face today. From climate change, induced stresses, to the need for increased food production to feed the growing population. The science of biotechnology has provided us with tools and techniques to navigate these complex issues.
Despite official assurances from bodies like the World Health Organization that approved GM foods are safe for human consumption, with no substantiated evidence of unique health risks compared to conventional foods, concerns about environmental impacts, corporate control, and long-term effects persist among sections of the public, especially members of the civil society.
With GMO seeds, you cannot replant. So every year, you have to subscribe to the seed supplier sitting somewhere in another country.
They are modified, they don't grow naturally, they are prepared probably in a lab, and their seeds don't regenerate. That's what we know, that's the issue. And sometimes, in terms of agriculture, if it's seed, if you plant them close to the normal ones, that it has a way of affecting the other ones.
Officials say public opposition to the use of GMOs in Nigeria is often tied to deep disinformation and misinformation, often rooted in fears of food colonialism.
They are as safe as their conventional counterparts. They're not dangerous, they don't cause cancer, they are very safe because a lot of risk assessment is carried out during the development of these crops.
So our practices, we would always make sure that we're up and doing and we follow the international standards.
Nigeria is one of 6 African nations that have embraced and are currently cultivating genetically modified crops. According to the International Service for the Acquisition of Agri-Biotech Applications, Ethiopia, Malawi, South Africa, Sudan, and Swaziland are among the others. Gloria Atta, reporting for Clearview News.